Constituency-level issues, facilitating trade with Caribbean countries, and the improvement in the delivery of health care were among the topics covered when Prime Minister, the Honourable Dr. Terrance Drew, and his cabinet addressed the media at a press conference at NEMA's conference room on Thursday. More in this report.
Among those present were Minister of Agriculture Honorable Samuel Duggins, Junior Minister for Youth Empowerment Senator Honorable Iseline Phillip, Minister of Tourism Honorable Masha Henderson, Minister of Sustainable Development Honorable Dr. Joel Clark, and Attorney General Honorable Garth Wilkin. During his remarks, the Prime Minister stated that there are a number of constituency-level issues that need to be addressed, such as providing shelter for those in need, providing an environment to create more jobs, and expanding healthcare services. He added that he will be meeting with Premier Brantley on Nevis in the coming weeks to discuss matters of mutual interest. As it relates to facilitating trade with Caribbean countries, the Prime Minister said he met with Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, on the heels of the IMF and World Bank meetings that were held in Washington recently, and both leaders have agreed to strengthen relations between both countries.
For the last 7 years, before we came into service as elected by the people, we have discovered that our relationships on the international scene would have been fractured in multiple ways. We are part of the Caribbean community that I have come to realize many of us know very little about. That is why, following the World Bank and IMF spring meetings held in Washington, D.C. held in April, I met with Premier Mottley of Barbados, and we have agreed to strengthen relations between our two countries, and I expect to be in a position to make an announcement in this regard very shortly.
He also stated that there is a possibility through the government's legislative agenda to facilitate deeper trade relations with the Caribbean for the benefit of citizens and residents. The Prime Minister also spoke of the advancements in health care being provided on island. He announced that the Ministry of Health has started the HEARTS initiative, which will focus on promoting heart health.
We have started the HEARTS initiative, which is a World Health Organization initiative, HEARTS, which means it's an initiative of heart health. Cardiovascular disease or heart disease is second cause of death in our federation. So we have cancers, we have cardiovascular disease, which include strokes and heart disease. So cancer, we are taking care of that. Heart disease and also strokes, along with other things. So we are attacking those diseases that are affecting our people so that we can live happier and healthier lives.
To implement this initiative, the Prime Minister said that the ministry is working to secure blood pressure kits, among other items related to heart health.
And we will institute this. Of course, we are working on securing validated blood pressure kits, and we will institute this. Of course, we are working on securing validated blood pressure kits, EKG machines, and I just want to mention that I've also made a request that we have an island cardiologist who will be placed at the hospital to take care of heart attacks and other acute and non-acute heart issues. Presently, we do not have that service at the hospital, and we need it most urgently. We're also procuring an echocardiogram, that is ultrasound of the heart. We are seeking to have Holter monitors to monitor the rhythms of the heart.
The Prime Minister concluded his remarks by stating that he is proud of the advancements made by his cabinet thus far as they continue to work towards making St. Kitts and Nevis a sustainable island state. The press conference was aired live on ZIZ radio and television and was streamed live on www.zizonline.com.